Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Android phone tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you how to see your call recording file or call recording history on your Redmi Android phone. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on your dialer. Then under your dialer, what you need to do right here to dictate a particular recording call file, slide it this way, and then go ahead and tap on recording right here. Then here you go. All the number of phones you have been recording so far on your Redmi Android phone is going to be displayed right here. What you need to do is to go ahead and tap on it, and here you go. You have access back to all recording calls on your Android phone Redmi device right here. It can be video call recording, it can be audio call recording. From here, you can easily play and listen to the call record. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about Android phone device settings like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.